At this tutorial, we will add some new things to previous animation. To see all of coding you already have, click this button at top right. We will change the Hello Scratch. Click button C inside to open it. We will add backdrop, or background picture. Add backdrop button at bottom right. Choose and add backdrop. For example, add backdrop bedroom 1. You can move your sprite by clicking on the sprite, hold the mouse button, and drag the sprite to place you want. When you move your sprite, these numbers will change. These X and Y numbers show your sprite's position. You can also move your character by changing these numbers. A larger number means your sprite's position will be to the right, or to the top. A smaller, or even negative number means your sprite's position will be to the left, or to the bottom. You can also change sprite size. 100 is the normal size. Smaller number will make your sprite smaller. Larger number will make your sprite larger too. Save your coding first, so what you have done is not missing. Don't forget to save often. To move sprite, you can use these blue blocks. Remember, sprite position is defined by X and Y. Now, X is negative, which means the sprite is on the left side of the screen. The bigger X value means sprite will go more to the right. For Y, the bigger Y value means sprite will go more to the top. Try to move the sprite using blue block with name glide. Snap this blue block to the most bottom of your coding. You can tell the sprite where it should move, and how long to move there. For example, we will move this sprite for 2 seconds to the center, which means X is 0 and Y is 0. Run your coding again by clicking the green flag. This time, sprite will move to the center of screen. If you click the green flag again, the sprite will not move, because it's already at the center of the screen. So we will change a little. When the green flag is clicked, we will put the sprite to bottom left. Click and drag the sprite to bottom left. Then, add the go to block on your coding, below block when green flag clicked. Notice that X and Y and go to block is automatically filled with current sprite's position. Now, run your coding again. Sprite will go to bottom left, then it will move to the center. Great! You have learned how to move the sprite. Try the other blue blocks to move the sprite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and like this video. See you on next video. If you like this video, please do me a great favor. Subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. This way, I can get energy to create more interesting video and we can have fun together. Thank you very much, and see you on my other video.